Welcome back this afternoon. Angie Edge from Dairy Farmers of Wisconsin is back with us, and this looks kind of unique, kind of cute looking.
Yeah, it's a fun little appetizer to get you through the winter.
Love it.
And it's made with one of our award-winning Wisconsin cheeses. These are the Loaded Tater Tot Cups, so really fun to make. You're going to start with a mini muffin tin, and you're going to put 2 tater tots in each of the little muffin compartments. Bake that in the oven for about 10 minutes, and then you're going to shape these little tater tot bowls you can see. And then, of course, there's Wisconsin cheese. So you're going to add in the Red Rock shredded cheese in the middle, bake again, and then there's also this beautiful jam that has peppers, shallots, maple syrup, apple cider vinegar, some really great flavorings. It gives it a little bit of savory zest to it as well, and then you can dollop it with a little bit of sour cream and some green onions. So just a really fun, maybe getting ready for March Madness, but a fun little winter appetizer.
I love how cute they are. They're like little bite size.
Yeah.
Like, what a way to be able to add this to the
Oh,
table.
and there's also lots of bacon in here as well. So who doesn't love bacon and cheese and potatoes? The sour cream, absolutely wonderful.
It just goes to show just all the things that we can have Wisconsin cheese in.
Yeah, so this is a fun cheese made in Shullsburg, Wisconsin. It's the Raleigh Red Rock. The Raleigh Cheese Factory is a 4th-generation cheese factory with master cheesemaker Chris Raleigh. He's a master in 3 different varieties, and he's also known for Wisconsin originals. He's invented his very own cheeses there. The Dunbarton Blue, the Red Rock, the Little Mountain, and he's won so many awards with his cheese as well. This actually placed in the top 20 in the World Championship Cheese Contest. So absolutely delicious, and it's just one of the cheeses. You can see the strikingly beautiful color, that annatto into the cheddar, and then it's infused with the blue cheese, and it's cave aged. So I can't wait for you to try that one.
Doesn't get any better than that. And of course, the Proudly Wisconsin cheese brand.
Yes, the Proudly Wisconsin, made by a master. You can see both logos on that product. It's a fun little trip out to Shullsburg too. If you're looking for a road trip, you can stop into the cheese shop, try some of their different cheeses, and support Wisconsin dairy farmers.
There you go. Where can we find this recipe?
You can find the recipe at wisconsincheese.com. It's the Loaded Tater Tot Cups, and you can learn more about our cheese makers. You can find different pairings, recipes, and everything you want to know about Wisconsin cheese.
Awesome. Angie Edge, thank you so much. We appreciate it.